Storytime with Sonia Panda.
Sesame Street Cookies for Elmo. A little book about big power of sharing. Two good friends are having fun one bright and happy day. Elmo shares with Cookie Monster and they play. Elmo's favorite rubber ball is huge and red and round. He tosses it to Cookie, saying, "Keep it off the ground." Cookie Monster grabs the ball and pops it up and down. He uses hands and feet and head to bounce it all around. He throws the big ball up, so high into the air. He is having such an awesome time. He is glad that Elmo shared. The two friends played with Elmo's toys till Cookie had to go. Elmo shared his favorite things and helped their friendship grow. Cookie thinks about the things that he could maybe share. So how can he show Elmo that he also really cares? Cookies, yes! His favorite thing will make the perfect gift. Cookie will rush home to make 2 batches extra swift. Mix, then bake, and next the cooling rack. The cookies are so plump and round, the perfect monster snack. Nom, nom. Oh no, he ate the cookies, every morsel, every crumb. Those were Elmo's cookies. What has Cookie Monster done? He meant to share the cookies, but they looked so good and sweet, Cookie could not help it. He just had to eat. Cookie makes another batch and then he steps away. This time around, he tells himself, "No more for me today." Once they are ready, Cookie stacks the goodies on a plate. He leaves for Elmo's right away. No time to hesitate. On the way to Elmo's house, there is Bert and Arnie too. Cookie say hello and tells them what he's off to do. They both agree that Elmo is going to love the tasty treat. Sharing something special with a friend just can't be beat. Left foot, right foot. On and on he walks. Soon he closes to Elmo's house. It's just a few more blocks. The cookies look so yummy, but he knows they are not for him. "Me want cookies," Cookie says, "but we must not give in." Cookie takes a breath and tries to think of something new. Like math. He knows that you get 4 if you add 2 and 2. So if he shares 4 cookies, will he still get 2 to eat? Or once he shares the cookies, will they all be Elmo's treat? Maybe he should eat 1 now and give away just 3. Elmo won't miss 1 small cookie. Would not you agree? Or maybe he should eat 2 cookies, saving 2 to share. Half and half, straight down the middle. Does not that seem fair? Nom. Oh no, he ate them all again before he reached the house. All that left are cookie crumbs, too small to feed a mouse. There is nothing now that he can share. He has eaten all he had. Cookie starts to walk back home alone and feeling sad. Bert and Arnie at the park are reading in the shade. They stop to ask if Elmo liked the goodies Cookie made. He has to tell them that he ate the sweets himself instead. Me no can control myself, he says and hangs his head. Bert and Ernie understand how tough it is to share, even if you are trying hard to show someone you care. When it is a thing you really love, you want it just for you. But when you share with someone else, you are sharing friendship too. Perhaps instead of baking first and sharing when he is done, he could bake with Elmo. That would make the sharing fun. A great idea, Cookie Monster says and claps his hands. He runs home to call Elmo, so excited for their plans. Elmo's fun to work with. He and Cookie have a blast. They mix and bake together and then share the treats at last. Seeing Elmo smile and laugh makes Cookie happy too. Even if it's hard sometimes, it is fun to share with you.